I just finished this vintage sub-miniature Bueche Girod alarm clock. It is in pristine condition all the way around. Gorgeous dial, all original. Works perfectly, keeps excellent time, and the alarm works as it should. So I already had the alarm wound, and you wind it with this crown right here. Let's advance the time so we can hear the alarm go off. Nice, long, and loud alarm. So with this crown pressed in, you wind the alarm, turning the crown like that. You wind the time movement with this crown, and then you rotate it counterclockwise to set the time, and for the alarm, you pull it out, and you also wind it counterclockwise to set the alarm. And if you want the alarm to go off, you need to keep this crown pulled out. So in summary, a vintage 1950s Bueche Girod mechanical sub-miniature alarm clock. This is about the size of a quarter, so it's very petite. Take care.